quick guys, before we get this video started, go check out the new Burnout t-shirts on wrenchworks.com. The massive burnout that we did at Beans. We got the sick photo kind of put on a t-shirt. Really, really cool detail. Again, super comfortable. This is not like a vinyl. It's super soft like always. Go ahead and check it out. Super cool logo on the front. Also, really quick, we did get sweatshirts restocked. We used to be out of all these sizes, but we have all of these designs back in stock. And also, this charcoal gray sweatshirt that we used to have, we now have a black flag design on this gray t-shirt. I'm sorry, it's a sweatshirt. It's a sweatshirt. Go check out all of the new stuff. They're all super limited, so make sure you guys go check out the Burnout t-shirt and the new charcoal gray sweatshirt. Go check it out. Thanks, guys. Welcome back. It feels like it's been forever since we've kind of caught up, got you guys updated on a lot of things going on. So after King of the Street, which you guys have probably, if you guys haven't, you guys need to go check out the last couple videos going over all of that stuff. But we kind of came home and then I left right for SEMA. So a lot of stuff going on while I was gone, a lot of stuff going on at SEMA that I want to catch you guys up on. But first, we're going to go ahead and play the footage of all of the dirt work that's been going on at the house. If you guys have been following along, you guys know I've been waiting for some land clearing stuff going on at the property. Well, it's finally started, of course, as I was gone, but Allie was awesome enough to kind of bust out the GoPro, get some footage of that, so go ahead and check that out now. As you can see, we just got back from SEMA, And this is what we came home to. Quite a bit of progress. You guys can see kind of now what I'm kind of talking about. These sections, these first 3 sections of brick are coming out, and then we are going to start our retaining wall on this one right about here. Obviously we cut back a little bit far right here. We're gonna go ahead and put some drainage stuff in for all the water that kind of comes here. A lot of you guys said you were interested in this stuff, so I'm kind of just gonna take you guys along on the plans. So right here is where the new retaining wall is going to kind of start. We haven't really decided as far as what we're gonna go with that yet. I will keep you guys updated on that. Not really a huge fan of this brick. At some point I'd like to kind of get this recovered with maybe some more natural stone look, but anyway, we're not going to get into that. But as you can see back here, we'll walk back here. I think they took out probably anywhere between 50 to 75 triaxle loads of dirt, and again, we're not even really cut down. The whole point of this was to get this the same grade as the driveway and the concrete right here, so they got to go down a little bit more to actually get the stone compacted and then come up to this grade. So again, I'm no dirt work expert. It's actually rained the last couple days. If you guys can't hear and see the mess, that's usually no good when it comes to dirt work. But the wall back here is definitely somewhere, I'm gonna say it's taller than me, so it's probably about 8 to 9 feet right here in this back corner. Went ahead, and the propane tank, if you guys remember, was right in this little island right here. So super exciting to kind of see all this stuff actually finally start happening. It's been in the plan for quite a while, but we are going to cut back even further here, almost back to where my setback is. And then all of this, now when we pull in with the trailers in the driveway, we'll be able to come in here, we'll be able to turn around, and then kind of where I'm standing right now is hopefully going to be another new shop that we will hopefully build maybe next year. I'm not really sure. We're going to take it little by little. That is my future goal and plan, is to build another bigger shop back here somewhere in the 50 by 80 range, and kind of really fill out this back section right here. Still have this big section, still have this building right up here. But for now, this will all become parking, because as you guys can see up front, all of my trailers, the trucks, everything is sitting right out front of the house, which absolutely drives me nuts. So this will give us plenty of room to park the trailers, park the Peterbilt when it's done, maybe a bigger trailer in the future. But that is kind of where this is at right now. These guys are going to continue on to do that. But the only other thing I want to try and mention is the power that goes to the shop runs right through here. So what we had to do is, obviously that had to get disconnected. I pulled all of the wires out. It was actually a pretty easy pull up by here. We pulled the wires out as I'm sinking in this. So you can see all the new wire that we just ran 100 amp service out here, we pulled out. So that's still good. We just kind of got to repipe from here all the way down. So the shop, unfortunately right now has no power, and it probably won't have power until we're pretty much done with this. But again, if you guys look, man, we're gonna do something with this fence. I'm super excited to kind of show you guys the plan that Allie and I have to kind of transform this, kind of make it a much more usable space. But should have plenty of space to kind of pull in here, loop around with the trailer. It'll be a lot easier on the trailers. Like I said, we got to kind of transition them here, and it's a little bit of a mess. But anyway, that's going to do it for the driveway update. So we also did go to the SEMA show in Las Vegas, kind of a last minute decision, and it was such a great time. I didn't really film a ton, kind of just focused on, you know, seeing people that I don't get to see a lot, meeting new people that I don't get an opportunity to meet. A lot of great guys in the YouTube community that we got a chance to talk to, meet with. It's just really, really cool. So it's really great to build relationships, meet new people. A lot of companies that we'll be working with and stuff like that, and companies that we have worked with. Just kind of continuing those relationships is more important than kind of super focusing on filming. What we did film, and what I want you guys to see in the next couple clips, is all this stuff that I thought was super, super cool. Now, I'm not saying that lifted trucks, big wheels and tires and the attention to detail that those guys put into their trucks and all the powder coating, I can appreciate. I appreciate that. It's not my cup of tea as far as what I would build, but super great builds. I'm kind of highlighting a little bit of the builds that were diesel related, but a little bit more one-off, a little bit more custom, stuff that doesn't come with diesel engines in it that had it in there. And then Andy Frisella's, I believe it was a Charger. Man, super sick car. But anyway, take a look at that stuff. Anyway, guys, that is pretty much going to wrap up this video. Again, just a quick update video of kind of what's been going on since King of the Street. It's been a madhouse. It's been crazy. Make sure you guys go head over to Wrenchworks and pick up the updated restocked hoodies and also the new Burnout t-shirt. That'd be awesome. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. I will have another couple videos up here very shortly, and hopefully we can get the power turned back on in the shop, and then also the guys coming to finish the inside of the shop shouldn't be too far after all of this stuff. So it might be a little bit kind of trying to get all this stuff done, but once this stuff is done, guys, we're ready to rock and roll, and we got a lot of work to do with a lot of the trucks. I know a lot of you guys have been killing me about second gen content, so all that stuff is going to be coming. I promise. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you. See you.